Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm here to show you guys the Teba, the TK22. Shown behind me is the regular 22 model. The model that I typically import and will keep in stock is actually going to be the 22 Plus model. Overall, as far as looks, functionality, design, and quality, they are going to be the same stove. The Plus model is going to be 49 inches in width, whereas this one is 39 inches. So it's going to give you an extra 10 inches on width on the larger model. Those additional 10 inches are going to be added to the size of the firebox. So you're going to have a wider and deeper firebox. The heat output on the larger 22 Plus model is going to be 13 kilowatts, whereas this smaller one is 10 kilowatts. Keep in mind, I can import this smaller model for you as well. It's just not a stocked model, so it would have to be special order. The TK22 Plus is actually probably going to be the largest hydro cook stove that we sell at this time, with the largest firebox and baking oven. This model is not currently UL listed for North America, so if you are having any type of homeowner's insurance, building inspection, or wet inspection for Canada, you definitely want to check directly with your insurance company or that building inspector to ensure there are no problems on that. This model is going to be available in a variety of colors. We have it shown here in the cream color. It can also be ordered in white, black, and red, and I believe gray as well. So we do have a variety of options available. This model is going to come standard with the 3-piece towel bar. This one's a little bit unique because it's 3 separate bars instead of the wrap design that we've seen on some of the other models. Inside the firebox, we do have a fully gasketed door. You can see that the quality of the gasket material on this is a little bit different than the non-hydro models. Inside the firebox, there's not going to be any fire brick because, again, this is a hydro model, which means the water fully circulates around the firebox. At the bottom of the stove, you are going to have a cast iron grate. This model is capable of burning wood or coal. Located directly below the firebox is going to be your ash pan removal. They do give you a nice thick and deep ash pan here. Your damper controls for the unit are actually going to be located here on the side of the unit, which you can't quite see. There's a simple dial control. Your valves and mixing areas will be located on the rear of the stove. Inside the oven, we have a nice gasketed door here as well. This model does come standard with 5 different levels for your oven rack, and it looks like there are actually 2 baking trays located inside this model. Below your oven is going to be a nice large area that can be used for warming. If you wanted to store maybe pans down here, that would give you a nice place to do that as well. So this is the Teba, the TK22. Again, this is the regular model, and we also sell the Plus model. If you guys find these videos helpful, if you like them, don't forget, give me a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.